Take command of the road in the 2012 Jeep Patriot. It features a continuously variable transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, a tachometer, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, a roof rack, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.